When you hire SmartDrone for a professional service, you're not only receiving one of our LiDAR earth scanning services, but a dedicated SmartDrone team member that will guide you through every step. Our streamlined professional services are designed to collect, process, and deliver the data you need when you need it. When you sign up online, one of our field application specialists, or FAS, will reach out to you directly and be your personal point of contact through the whole process. It's that easy. Not only do our FAS provide top-notch customer service, but are trained extensively in aerial mapping, making them ready to answer any questions you may have. Whether your customer needs a topographical map or orthomosaic, your FAS can get you a product that is accurate and detailed at competitive fixed-bid prices. And with comprehensive and ongoing support, your FAS is there to help even after the job is finished. We are here to serve you. SmartDrone Professional Services. Collect, process, deliver.